Hey guys, it's Leo, and last week we landed on online surveys, and I don't know about you guys, but I don't think I could do that for a living. But hey, if you guys got the patience, I don't see why not. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, it's time for the spin. So let's get to it, guys. Gumball machine again? Well, I kind of got a surprise for you guys, and I'll give you a little hint. I used the profits from the offer up sale and I bought something. Let's go check it out. And guess what the mailman just brought in? I wonder what it could be. Alright, you guys know I sold my other machine, so I invested that right back into the business and we got ourselves a gumball machine. So let's get into it. Oh snap! Right off the top, your boy got a new set of keys, baby. I need to get a keychain and put all these keys on. Well, I mean, I only have 2 machines, but eventually I feel like I'm gonna be like a janitor. So we'll put these right here. All right, I'm gonna try to take this out in one pull. If that's possible. Oh snap, it's not working. Alright, I'm gonna do this the boring way, guys. I wanted to be cool, but guess what? It doesn't always work out that way. Aww. So, this is the main entree. Hopefully nothing else comes out. Who knows? That doesn't sound good. What? Another set of keys? What? They're spoiling me now. Alright, so I gotta be very careful. I don't want to drop this. I think it's glass. Alright, let's flip this back over. Alright guys, I know it's see-through, but it's the big reveal. Ain't she a beaut? It's beautiful. I don't know guys, I think we should name it. Put it in the comments below. So, with this machine, let's see if this is the top right here. There it goes. I think I just have to twist it a bunch. Wow. And it is the gumball machine. You can kind of see in here. I don't know if you can see it up there, but it's the gumball mechanism. So, we'll be able to put some gumballs in there. Put this back. And now, if you see right here, so with the cheaper gumball machines, to get to the money, you'd have to get in through the top. So it's basically what I did right now. You have to take this off, and then this part comes out, and you'll see all the money in here. But I paid a little bit more, and there's actually a cash drawer right here. All right, and there we go. This is where the money's gonna be. Cha-ching, baby. Nice. So the money's gonna go straight into this tray right here, and it makes things much easier. So everything looks really nice. Gotta test it out, put some gumballs in here. And it looks like I can use the same keys for everything, so that makes life a little easier. And I think that's it, guys. Brand new Rhino machine, gumballs. Compared to my other one, this thing's beautiful. I'm gonna move this over here because guess what? This is the stand it came with. And I'm moving that out of the way because it says Monster Stand, which means it's pretty big. So let's check this out. All right. Safety first. Put it away. All right. It looks like we got some more styrofoam. Yeah! This is one of the poles. I think this is the bowl that connects to the bottom. It is a little shiny though. The other one I have is pretty ugly, and it's kind of like more of a cast iron. So we'll put this over here. All right, let's see what else is in the box. And then I think just the last part is the actual part on the bottom that prevents it from flipping, which is It looks a little something like this. And it looks like there's hardware in the back, because I think we're going to have to attach some hardware to the bottom of that vending machine. So remember, we need a name for this. So in the comments below, give me some ideas, and we'll see if we can find a place to put it. Alright guys, thanks for following me. See you on the next spin.